So hello friends, it look interesting. So in this tutorial we are going to make a flip book animation. So now I just saw the flip book animation. So in this video we are going to learn how we can make this. So I am going to the new PowerPoint. Yeah. So first we have to select this rounded rectangle. Okay, just draw it here. Yeah. Now select this. Press Ctrl D for duplicating this, and now press here. Yeah, and now I am grouping this group. Okay, now go to the format tab, align center. Yeah. Now I am going to the left side and select this slide and pressing Ctrl D for duplicating this slide. Now select slide number 1, go to this, and here I am selecting this again and ungroup this and selecting the left part of the rectangle of this slide and delete this. Yeah. So this is our I'm making cover page. So this is my cover page. Select right click, edit text, and writing cover page. Now Control A, select this text, go to the format tab, uppercase, and increase the little bit size like 40. Yeah, and bold. I'm selecting the purple color for cover page. And now I am going to the left side and select slide number 1, pressing Control D for duplicating this. Now select and drag to the last number. Now select this again and select this cover page, and I'm writing last page. Select this and go to the upper page. Yeah. Now we are going to the okay. I'm changing this color, like I'm making it black. Yeah. Second number slide. Now what we have to do, I have to make this page number 1. Select this, edit text, page 1, Control A for select this, and uppercase, bold, and increase the size to the 40. Select the second page, edit text, and page 2 for this, Control A, and make the size 40, and also uppercase, bold. Yeah. Now go to the left side, select this slide, pressing Ctrl D for duplicating this. Yeah. Now I am at third number slide. Yeah. So I am making this page number 3, making this page number 4. You can make many pages. Like I am selecting this slide, 3 number, and Ctrl D for duplicating this. Now I am making this page number 5 and making this page number 6. That's all. Now what we have to do is select any slide from left side, press Ctrl A for selecting all. Now deselect the slide number, press Ctrl and deselect slide number 1. Yeah. So now other than one, all the slides are selected. Now go to the transition and go to the drop down menu and select the page curve. Yes. Now go to the slideshow. I am pressing space bar for next slide. Yeah. So this is how we make a flipbook animation. I hope you like it. And you have to remember 3 shortcuts which I am using. Control D for duplicating slide, Control A for selecting all, and Control G for grouping. I hope you like it. Thank you.